What's up, YouTube? Today we making 10 panels for this customer in Monrovia.
Yeah, you got a big bark, but you're not a dog. When we talk about the cash, yeah, you not involved. I'ma hit it one time, then I'm not involved. Look, young nigga Ryan, and I got it all. Yeah, you got a big bark, but you're not a dog. When we talk about the cash, yeah, you not involved. I'ma hit it one time, then I'm not involved. Look, young nigga Ryan, and I got it all.
Got the fabric, man. Let's go. We'll wrap these panels.
Ooh, swerve, keep it going. 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 Ooh, swerve, keep it going.
What's up, YouTube? Yesterday was a long day. We got the van washed, went to Home Depot, grabbed some wood, went to the garage, made some panels. I had to wrap 10 panels for this delivery today in Monrovia. Let's go make this delivery.
Ooh, swerve, keep it going.
In Monrovia. What's up, Jacob?
What's up?
This early morning delivery, man, woke you up out of your sleep.
Yeah, the gray was definitely the right call.
Sorry about that. We were just shooting a little,
No, you guys are cool. Gotta get the socials. I think there's gonna be probably like 2, on this wall here. And then
Yeah.
I'm actually building a diffuser right now.
The sister calculator was 1201.
Yeah. And so then,
What are you using? 1 bodies or how big are you gonna make?
yeah, just 1 by.
Wait till they get my son's age, man. You gonna
How old
wish
are you?
16.
16? All right.
you're gonna wish that was their age again, man. Appreciate you,
Awesome,
brother.
man. Thank you so
man.
much.
Call me if you need anything.